Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English course. In this series, we are going to learn the 100 most important English verbs. We won't just memorize words. We will learn how to use each verb in real life. By the end of this course, you will understand, speak, and use the most common English verbs with confidence. If English is not your native language, don't forget to turn on subtitles in your language. They will help you understand every lesson. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today's verb. Today's verb is work. Listen carefully. Work. One more time. Work. Now you say it. Work. Excellent.
Meaning. Work means to do a job. Look at the pictures. She works in an office. He works in a hospital. They work in a factory. All of them work. Repeat after me. Work. Verb forms. Every English verb has important forms. Today's verb is very easy. Present, work. Past, worked. Past participle, worked. Repeat after me. Work. Worked. Worked. Perfect. Present simple. We use the present simple for habits and everyday actions. Listen and repeat. I work. You work. He works. She works. It works. We work. They work. Now together. I work every day. She works in a hospital. They work together. Present continuous. Now, let's talk about something happening right now. Listen and repeat. I am working. You are working. He is working. She is working. It is working. We are working. They are working. Examples. I am working now. She is working at the moment. They are working together. Past simple. Now let's talk about yesterday. Listen carefully. I worked. You worked. He worked. She worked. It worked. We worked. They worked. Examples. I worked yesterday. She worked all day. They worked very hard. Future simple. Now let's talk about tomorrow. Repeat after me. I will work. You will work. He will work. She will work. It will work. We will work. They will work. Examples. I will work tomorrow. She will work on Monday. We will work together. Questions. Let's ask some questions. Do you work? Do you work here? Are you working now? Did you work yesterday? Will you work tomorrow? Repeat each question. Negative sentences. Now let's make negative sentences. I don't work. I'm not working. I didn't work yesterday. I won't work tomorrow. Excellent. Mini dialogue. Do you work here? Yes, I do. Are you working now? Yes, I am. Did you work yesterday? Yes, I did. Will you work tomorrow? Yes, I will. Great job. Most common expressions. Let's learn some useful phrases. Work every day. Work hard. Work from home. Work together. Work in Germany. Work at a hospital. Work as a teacher. Work on a project. Work full-time. Work part-time. Repeat after me. Practice. Complete the sentence. I, every day. I work every day. She, in a hospital. She works in a hospital. They, together. They work together. I, yesterday. I worked yesterday. I, tomorrow. I will work tomorrow. Excellent. Review. Let's review everything. Work. Worked. Worked. I work. I am working. I worked. I will work. Fantastic! You have learned your first English verb. In the next lesson, we will learn another very important verb. See you next time. Bye!